there, Math Stars! Today I'm going to help you unlock the secret of writing numbers in an expanded form. It's way easier than it sounds. So let's dive right in. First, what is an expanded form? Simply put, an expanded form is a way to break down a number and show the value of its digit. So it's like putting a spotlight on its place value. Let's start with our first example, 487. The value of 4 is 4 hundredths, which is 400, and the value of 8 is 8 tenths, which is 80, and the value of 7 is 7 ones, which is 7. So let us put those values together as a sum to get the expanded form. So 487 is 400 plus 80 plus 7. Easy, right? Now, you might also see an expanded form with multiplication. So let's say for 487, 400 is 4 times 100. And then 80 is 8 times 10. And then 7 is 7 times 1. So you can write it this way. 4 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 7 times 1. Easy. Now, try this one and write your answer in the comment section. See you!